don't you put your things in the trunk?
Trunk?
Yeah.
Which one be trunk?
You can put your things in the boots.
Ordinary boots, now they call trunk.
My country people, I don't carry another Bengal movie come for na domoto. Where my amiable lovers? No, not amiable. Where are my Sophia fans? Make una come forward. Another movie don't land. This time around, na Sophia and her kid sister did the movie. This movie sweet gone. Na so Sophia be village girl for this movie, and her kid sister na all these city girls. But this city one is not city in at all. These two are broke girls. They can't deceive Sophia to come to the city. Na so they want dry my girl. They collect all her money, they keep. This movie is everything and more. Make her allow una make una hear the gist from them. When I remember how we did do Amabi, just type the title for comment section and I go provide the title.
Why don't you put your things in the trunk?
Trunk?
Yeah.
Which one be trunk?
You can put your things in the boots.
Ordinary boots, now they call trunk. You don't come sitting there, they don't brush you up.
Why you wear PJ for this hot afternoon?
Which one be PJ?
This is pajamas now. Why you wear for what?
You don't even know anything, but this sister, well done. This your friend, fine, well done.
She's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We put that here.
No, ma, hold this one.
Okay.
I mean, how do you live for here?
Us.
You?
Us.
Boy. Sister, this house fine.
Thank you, thank you.
Na gistlover be this one.
No.
Sorry, no vex.
No, it's okay, it's okay. Well, let me take you to your room. You freshen up and you have enough time to tour the whole house, okay?
So I get room safe.
Let's go.
This one I heaven on earth.
Let's go.
Oh, no, go show me the room.
Let's go.
Thank you. Man.
Let's go. Stick your leg.
Poverty, yo. In the name of Jesus, bye bye to poverty, yo. In the name of Jesus, bye bye to poverty. Bye bye to poverty, yeah. Bye bye to poverty. Bye bye to poverty, yeah. Bye bye to poverty, yo.
How fun now?
Adem.
I feel see 2K for your hand.
You don't get 2K.
No, besides, I no get 2K. It's just that my card, it's network.
Your card is network. No, do.
That's not what I meant. But
I beg you.
okay.
Thank you.
You dey vex on top the 2K. Thank you. You just saved the life.
I don't save the life. So I still let you not get 2K.
I didn't say I didn't have 2K. I just said, network issues. You're this card
Network
thing.
issues.
Yeah. If you insult me too much, I'll just give you.
I beg, give me.
I beg,
Give me.
Lodo.
Lodo rabat. I don't know anything. Your card is network. This your friend there. I better person. We their house, no dey pay.
You know what? Why don't you just give me this 2K and I promise I'll make it 10K for you.
Please, just help us if you have. Please.
Sister Mina, because of you.
I know, please. Really, please.
No, I don't understand. I want you to collect your food money and job for you. I don't understand.
Don't worry, I'll just make it 10K.
I'll just do it because of you.
Thank you.
You won't be this one where they tell me say you will give me 10K, 100 naira if you no get.
These two people make Sonia buy for this movie. No be small thing, no. If you get a friend where they always collect from you, any small thing, ATM no dey work, this one do, network no dey for my phone, I beg run me every time. My sister fear that person, the person they make you. Be wise, economy no good. Drop title for comment section and I will drop the title ASAP. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Stay safe out there. Bye.